Hello friends, hope you're doing well. So in this video, we are going to reset our Windows 10 operating system, and in this process, all your data in your desktop, or if you have another partition, so all your data in your desktop and in your other partition will remain safe. So there will be no data loss in this process. So without wasting your time, let's start. Click on Windows icon and then type reset, and you will see the option here at the top, reset this PC. Click on it. Now in the recovery section, you will see the option reset this PC. Just click on this option, get started. And now you have two options. First, keep my files. So if you select the option, the first option, all your personal data will remain safe. But if you choose the second option, remove everything, in that case everything will be removed. So go for the first option, keep my files, click on it. Now click on the second option, local reinstall. Now you will see additional settings, restore apps and setting which came with this PC, reinstall Windows from this device. So just click on next. And in this process, all your personal data, all your files will remain safe. And you can see the settings, the details here. Your system will go back to the default mode. Your data will remain safe. Reinstall Windows from this PC. The only drawback in this process is all the software you have in your system will remove, but your personal data will remain safe. So just click on reset, and after that it will take around half an hour to complete, and this will reset your Windows 10 completely. So this is a short video how to reset Windows 10. This is all for the video. Thank you.